ice cream, ice cream. We all scream for ice cream. Yay!
Yay! We the ice cream ate it. Wait a minute. What's the weird? What is it?
That's gonna fall.
Yeah, you're
Oh,
going the wrong way again.
Rabbit.
Try sideways. Oh, let me help you.
It's cold.
It's cold?
Here, try this way.
It's not be cool in the break. I eat too.
Look at the hands. Oh my goodness, and your shirt. Uh-oh.
Oh, boy.
Say it's gone. Oh, is it cold? Let me help you. The table.
No, it ate it, Mommy. It ate it at night.
Yeah.
Oh no! It was his right hands. Hey, guys.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Who did it?
Oh no! Mom!
Oh, that's a good close
Wait,
up.
Mommy, Grammy.
Yeah, Cameron.
So now he ate it, all the particles.
I ain't gotta stand in a chair.
And then we eat it.
Did she eat all of the popsicle and eat it? She ate it?
So now he ate it.
Wow, it must have been good.
Huh?
Was your popsicle good?
Yes, you do.
Wow, that was for a big person. This girl is the mom
Mom,
of those
I
popsicles.
need water, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need a breakfast.
You gotta help Nike clean.
Yeah, I really Mommy, I clean it up.
Thank you so much. Granny got a good rag right here.
Oh,
Oh, your dad's gonna enjoy watching you eat ice cream. Oh boy. And your mom. Oh my goodness.
You gotta clean her up, Cammy and me. We're gonna take a bath, okay? It's almost bath time.
No! I'm not in my cup!
You're not taking a bath?
I want to go to the tub!
You wanna play in the tub?
Yeah, I go swimming!
Go swimming? Okay.
Put that on YouTube. Time to take a bath. No. Oh my goodness, that was definitely,
Nice.
hilarious.
Can I have that, please? Please, can I have it? You laughing at me? Let me see. Can I have that, please? Let me have it. Come on. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Hey. Was that good ice cream?
Say yes, yes, yes.
So nice. Hello. That was good ice cream. You mad? You want more?
Want more?
Oh boy.
Mm.
You rubbing in the ice cream like lotion?
Let me give you a wet one and see if you're clean saving your hands here.
You gotta get washed up now. You gotta get cleaned up.
Look, I lost it too.
You're welcome.
See, I gotta get all clean. Whoa, good job. Wow, you washing your legs and everything. Wow. You just getting all clean. The table. Oh my goodness. Good job, Nye. Wow. Wow. You're doing a good job, little lady. Wow, you just cleaning everything. Here, let me. Oh, you're gonna use this. Let me give you a new one for your face. There you go. You don't want it? You want it? Okay, thanks. Here you go. You don't want it? So nice. Here you go. Here you go. No? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone. Okay. Okay. You hurt my feelings. That's okay? Oh, okay. Mama. What you doing? Aw, what? Here you go. Use that one for your face, because the other one's all dirty. Like cleaning your hands. Whew! Nice and clean. Cleaning your face. Wow. Just nice and clean. Clean the table again. Me oh my. So nice. There you go. Aww. Cleaning the high chair, your face. Boy, oh boy, you're washing your feet under the table? My goodness. Thank you. Oh, this too? Thank you. You cleaning off the table?
Come on. Mommy.
Yes. Come here, Cameron. Cameron? Come here, baby. Bath time. Still cleaning. You ready to go? You're not ready to go? You ready to take a bath? Are you ready to take a bath? You ready to take a bath? Say, let's get going. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey, where you going? Say bye-bye. Good job. Yay. Clap your hands. Good job. Bye-bye.